プール？
あ、違う。
I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just want to see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing. No. I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know.
That's good vibe.
I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just want to see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing.
I'm so far from perfect, but that's perfectly fine. Might not be where I'm going, but I'll be there in time. Some days know what I want, some days it's hard to decide. But the journey gave me reason to rhyme. Fall 8 times. Please believe that there's 9 times I rise, cause the spirit is strong. Even if the way I said it, way I did it was wrong, I find peace cause in form I won't be here for long. I wanna live, I wanna love, I wanna give, I wanna shrug off the mistakes and be strong cause it takes that. And then some triumph, redemption, are well rooted in failure. Hence why we shall all grow like azaleas. It's a gift. Whatever cards they deal ya, if you sing your song with your heart, they gon' feel ya. Nothing more precious or held in more reverence than walking your path and living in your lessons, right?
I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know.
Yeah.
I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just want to see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing. No. I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just want to see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing. No.
Oh. What's up? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more? Oh, last. Oh, first one? Another one? No more. Oh, yeah.
Across the spiders. Across the spiders. The vigil in David Lamb Park is to remember Tiananmen Square. To remember the victims of Tiananmen Square. William the